Hey buddies, it's 4 Newstar, and this is going to be a quick dev video where I show you what I'm doing. So we're gonna have a mix of Construct 2 and some future series, and we're gonna be talking about some of the games I've been playing and what you guys want to see. So on this type of video, you need to comment like crazy down below. So what are we doing in Construct 2 real quick? I'm in the middle process of developing a basic inventory for the menu system. So I have a menu, so I'm gonna run layout real quick so you guys can see what's going on. So I have this object. It's actually got a light connected to it. You actually won't see this pink thing. I just connected it to an object, told it to have it like uh, some sort of like moving animation, whatever, so I can have some sort of dynamic 2D dynamic lighting for the menu, and I'm going to be adding some other stuff to the menu. We have play and then we have item. Item is basically the inventory. It tells you pistol, rifle, plasma. Later I'm going to be telling you, okay, I don't know if I'm going to be either you're gonna get those all in the game, like hey, you're gonna have a pistol, rifle, plasma gun, or you're just gonna start out with the pistol, and the rifle and the plasma gun won't be selectable until you actually get them in the game. It will save and then it will unlock. So I'm gonna add some other features maybe into it. What I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna put like little dots next to them, like little circles, and then when you click on it, it has a little dot appear into it, a little checkbox. So I'm going to say, hey, okay, you're going to be able to select pistol. So pistol is, 1. It will then set inside the game 1, and the character will change to a guy holding a pistol. You can select rifle. He's holding a rifle. It's just what you want to start off right there. Again, if you want to change, you just hit the 1, 2, 3 key, and it will change it from pistol, rifle, or plasma gun. If you don't have it, it will pop up a little tab saying, hey, you don't have this weapon available, or I'll have some sort of sound in the game. I'm also going to have probably some other inventory system to where you can actually drag stuff into it, because we actually do have. Well, I'm going to select that item real quick, and I'm going to say behaviors. Drag and drop. So I'm going to probably put that. And once you drag and drop into a certain box, it's going to then allow you to have it in inventory. So basically, you're on a station. Hey, you got a ship. You store everything in your ship. You go back to your ship to pick up stuff. So I'm trying to incorporate a simple, but a very adequate inventory system. Now, the inventory system inside the game is going to be a little bit more advanced. The menu system is not supposed to give you everything, but more the basics, and then the one inside the game will actually give you a whole bunch more stuff. Now, I do have a sprite at this moment. I just PM'd them to start working on some sprites. If you guys know, if you guys, one moment, level 1, know about this is my top-down shooter. We're gonna run layout. So you guys can see what I've done. So I have actually, there we go. We got our monster. Now I'm going to minimize this so we can enlarge it a wee bit. So we have our monster and all that stuff. We actually have 2 dynamic light systems going on. I'll pause them. The monster does have a light connected to him. I'm going to pick up this battery pack for my gun, my taser gun. The monster is, he's intelligent. He's not that intelligent. I'm actually going to have him shoot acid, but we're going to deal with him right now. I'm also going to have a safe box put right here. So this will be the first level. I'm thinking about limiting the dynamic lighting to just a few lights, so I may take a couple of these off. You will actually enter from here. There will be, some missions, all that stuff. So that's what's been going on. Nothing. I just got the new construct, so I haven't exactly played around with it much, but I am going to play with it a lot these next 2 months, because a person asked me for a certain type of tutorial, and he's got a project he's got to get out really quick. So I'm gonna see if I'm gonna actually. That's why I decided to do the inventory first, but I also decided to do the dynamic lighting. And the reason why some of these lights have now stopped moving is that the monster is disappeared and its dynamic light has not been deleted. So that's a bug on my part that I didn't have the time at when I implemented it to stop it or delete it. So we'll do that probably the next tutorial or whatever. Or one moment. Let's see. Level 1. So what we can do is when the monster's dead. Alright, so when the guy dies, okay, so -1 enemy destroy. What we're also going to do is destroy a light. So I'm going to I need to see what light he's using. Alright, so I guess it's light 3, okay. Destroy, and we also need to destroy light 3. So I'm gonna clone that one, and we're gonna say destroy light 3. Boom. Alright, so we're gonna run layout now. So you can see we do have lights moving right over here because of the sky. Pop. None of those lights are gone. And now we just have this guy and his dynamic lighting. Which is kind of cool. So, yeah, this game will be ported to Android and Congregate, so hopefully guys you check it out there. Also guys, I'll be starting a new series dealing with gaming systems, so entry-level systems to intermediate systems. So I'll be reviewing headsets, keyboards, mice pads, speakers, graphics cards, and motherboards, and all those other stuff in cases. If you guys could really support that new series by hitting the like button and viewing it and sending it to your friends who are having trouble with their system, that would be great. I am actually getting a Logitech sent over one of their entry-level gaming headsets, so I'll be reviewing that in the next week and a half. If you could really support it guys, that would be great. That allows me to then ask other companies for review items, and then I'll be able to do giveaways. So that's going to be really interesting. Also, if the series gets a lot, I'll be able to do a entry level to a intermediate level build of a gaming rig system. But that that has to be if the items are actually donated, or like totally like. I know some of the emails I've been getting is where they give me a 40% off code or a 70% off code to where, it probably not $100, but sure, I can swallow $20. So guys, please support the channel that way. That way I can give back to you guys. So that's what's been going up on the techie side. Alien. There'll be some more Alien videos out. I know some of you guys have been wanting that. Shadow Mortar is a canceled series due to the fact that WB's basically said no, I can't do a walkthrough of it on YouTube, which is kind of annoying. But I have to respect that if I don't want to get kicked off of YouTube. So I've been looking for some other games to play. I usually like playing 1 or 2 games every once in a while. So please guys, put a type of game that you would like to see down below. I thought of Borderlands, a pre-sequel, but if you guys want to see that, I can always do a different game. Also, as I said, my artist for the Copper Cube game is on holiday, so that's gonna halt for a little bit as I do my Construct 2 videos. Again, guys, thanks for watching this video. Any comments or any questions, please email me in the email in the description or comment down below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Hopefully, everything is going great with you, and I'll get back to this tutorial pretty quick. So I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye, guys.